Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. So for dinner tonight, I'm going to be making some brown sugar lemon pepper chicken. So let's get started. The ingredients are pretty straightforward and simple. You do not need a lot of anything. First, you're going to need some lemon pepper. I'm using my favorite. I'm not going to exaggerate on what that is exactly until a later video. But get your favorite lemon pepper seasoning. You're going to need some brown sugar. This looks like quite a bit. I might not use the whole thing. But anyway, this is parsley and cilantro. You have your chicken parts. This is legs, wings, and thighs. And you're going to need some salt. So obviously I'm going to put all of my herbs down on here. I love herbs on my chicken. You want to add your brown sugar. I think I need to break this up. Like I said, I don't want to use all of that yet. I might need it, but let me put half first. This is how I gauge my recipes, y'all. Trial and error. You know what I'm saying? And then you want to add your salt. Make sure you salt to taste. Next, you want to add your lemon pepper. Yummy. Top secret. And of course, next you want to mix this up and season it. Make sure you mix it liberally. You want to get all the seasoning down in there. You want to pop this into a 375-degree oven until your chicken has blistered. It's cooked all the way through. It's golden. It's delicious. It's yummy. Look how beautiful this is. Okay, you guys, so this is my chicken. I'm going to let it marinate for 2 hours or so, or you could do it overnight, which is way better. And yeah. All right, y'all, added my chicken to a grease pan just lightly because, you know, the thighs and stuff, they have a lot of fat already. Like I said earlier, pop them into a 375-degree oven. It's probably going to take an hour or so, but just until your chicken is nice and golden and caramelized and cooked all the way through. Y'all, look at this, I can't. Look at this chicken. And because of that brown sugar and the lemon pepper, it made like a little thick sauce. Remind you, I didn't add no butter to this, no sauce, no nothing. All we're having with this is some salad, and I'm also making some plantains. And that's pretty much it, but you could eat this with whatever. I mean, can we take a moment of silence for this chicken? Like, woo! Y'all, let me tell y'all something. This chicken was so tender and lemony and delicious and just moist. Like, I can't. Just look at this chicken. Anyway, give this recipe a try, you guys. And I'll catch y'all on my next video. Bye, guys.